The free surface effect happen when liquid inside a tanks like fuel, ballast, or water is not completely full and can move freely as the vessel rolls or tights. This have ne- this have has a negative impact on vessel stability. Main effect on stability. Number one, reduce of stability. GM decreases. The movement of liquid in the shape the vessel center gravity sideways. This reduce to metacentric high which is the key measure of stability. Number 2, increase rolling, less stiffness. The ship rolls more slowly but with large angles. This makes the vessels feel loose or unstable. Less or heel. Liquid shifts to one side when the ship tights. This can cause apartment a permanent list leaning to one side.
Number 4. Race of capsizing. If many tasks have pressure surface or the effect is large, stability can be reduced enough to cause capsizing, especially in roses. Number 5. Greater effect in wide tanks. The wider the tank, the greater the pressure surface effect because liquid can move more. Full tank, no liquid movement stable. Empty tank, no liquid stable. Partially filled tank, liquid moves unstable. How to minimize it? Keep tanks either full or empty. Use baffles or subdivision inside tanks. Avoid having multiple slack, partially filled tanks at the same time.